Side Ren Manson, and tatayo kami dito to be the voice of the game, giving each narrative unfolding. Nasa semifinals na tayo ng South Division. Ren, isa dito, pupunta sa finals to get a chance to battle it out for 300,000 pesos.
And one thing about these games, Will, no, it didn't disappoint.
Yes.
So, I think a lot of people hindi rin ine-expect na ganito yung magiging output nitong mga players na to, being most of these players are relatively unknowns.
Yep.
Pero pinakita nila yung grit, yung passion, and we were treated to exciting games all throughout the day.
Absolutely. Walang butaw, walang tapon. Really, walang sayang na oras kahit almost 12 hours na tayo dito sa Market Ren.
Magkano na kaya yung parking ko sa Market?
Well, Rick Uy, reimburse po. Thank you so much. Right now, the best of the best in the South, Kian Blanco against Hanji Bolo.
Kian Blanco. Sobrang unassuming talaga, no? Silent assassin.
Silent assassin indeed. And Bolo, the bulldozer naman, backs down and bullies his way in, pero sablay ang kanyang tira.
Makikita mo si Kian Blanco. Yun nga yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina, no? Kung makikita mo siya dun sa lineup, just standing up, questionin mo kung bakit siya yung King of the South. Eh.
Right, no?
Not too big. Not really that muscular. A little on the thin side, pero has all the killer instinct.
Correct. And I think he's using that to his advantage, no? Na medyo nada-downplay yung skill niya just because of his appearance. And it makes him more dangerous as the silent assassin dito sa 1v1 national finals.
Always underestimated, pero
Right.
hanggang ngayon, he's still standing.
Yep. What are they gonna say now, no? The doubters, the naysayers. Blanco is still here. Fighting for his life. Blanco again, sizing up. Bolo takes a 2.
I like that shot. Even if he missed that, he's hit that shot multiple times today.
Yep.
Walang dribble. The moment the ball is checked, dalawang jab step lang and he's taken the shot.
Both erupt and in. Bolo is still alive right here.
And ito si Bolo, we can't discount him.
Yep.
He's been the underdog for most of his matchups today. Pero again, he's still representing Cebu in final 2 in his division.
Right. And he deserved this spot, no? He clawed his way up to get into this position rin. But right now, a very difficult assignment ahead of him, facing Kian Blanco.
Ang maganda rin dito kay Kian Blanco, he has defense.
Yep, two-way, indeed.
See, I told you, no dribbles.
No wasted effort.
And I'm not sure bakit pinapabayaan.
Right.
Binibigyan ng space to si Kian Blanco.
And then another great defensive stop. Blanco looking at the clock, 5 seconds on it. And he's enjoying a large lead right now, 7 against 2.
And if Blanco goes through the finals, it's gonna be a shootout.
It is
With
gonna
Langrio.
be a shootout. And that poke from behind. And that shot again. Is that it? 9 against 2. And Hanji Bolo is, losing hope right now. Look at that quickness and the walk back. Angas.
Parang nawala eh. Si Kian Blanco. Nag-teleport
Right.
from the 3-point line to the shaded area.
1 point away.
So sobrahan ba?
Blanco. Game on the line for the win. And he will earn that ticket to the finals, Ren.
Parang sobrang dali. Sobrang dali nung round na yun.
And he beats the record, Ren. 2:58 left.
Fastest win
Oo.
of the day.